Trying to make time for the gym, but I'm sitting in my car with some fries and some wings. She pissed off, don't reply when I ring, so I guess I gotta go and lay the pipe type thing. Been in my bag like I'm Postman Pat, fuck about, drop bills like I don't pay tax. Drop 4 or 5 and I'm on the 5 ride, and a fella don't mind cause I'm making it back.
Been on my bread like gooseberry jam, big rims on the modified whip, got down. She wanna ride in the left hand side, man the whip so hot, cool fireman sound. Pull up at the red light, Roxanne got cruise in the back like a white van man. The pack loud and it's bomb like bang, hit hard in the chest, Sean Claude Van Damme.